Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's something different. I thought I would do an unboxing video. Just got my Happy Planner. They had like the mystery sale, so that's what this is. And I also got a, well, we'll just see. We'll open it up. So that's what we're gonna do now. That box. So the mystery bundle sticker. You're a world changer born to shine and conquer. Ooh. I also got the Disney box. It was on sale, like a little bit more than half price when the mystery bundle was going on. So I got that and another planner because I like them. Okay, so let's open the mystery bundle first. So we can make it not a mystery. Ooh, it's got 2 zippers on it. That's cool. I do love me some zippers. Ooh, a notebook kit. What is this? I really like this color. It's like mermaidy. Some dashboard, some notebook papers, dot grid, like little seashells on the, can you see that? Seashells on the border. Another tab, same paper. Another tab, more paper. One looks a little broken. Some stickers. They're like in there. That's cute. Little like icon stickers. Little like functional stickers. Little like upper tab. I really like that. That's cool. They're in a pocket. Ooh, that's cute. Some put this. So this just velcros on. Some cute little bits with a like rainbow on them. Cute. Cool. That'd be really good back, especially for washi. Oh, speaking of that, I think that's what's in this pocket. Super cute. I love this thin washi. I just feel like I never find it. The super thin one. So now I have so many choices. Okay. I like it. I like it. Let's find another pocket. I feel more stuff in this bag. So another zipper here. Pocket that obviously holds sticker books really well. We got the summer sticker book. Ooh. Only had not already decorated all my summer spreads, but it's okay because we got next year and then it'll be like throwback. That is super cute. And I really like that. And Pastel Tropics. I believe this was one that I wanted. Ooh, look at those. I really like that cheetah print too. All the animals, yes. Okay, super cute. There's something else in here. Another pocket. Ooh, some more. Done Adulting Let's Be Mermaids. These are stickers. I don't know how you're supposed to open these, really. That's super cute. Oh, look at those seahorses. And those mermaid water. So it's actually water. It's not even coffee. Water. Vitamin C. More of the coral. An octopus. Those are super cute. This is like travel filler paper. That's cute. Checklist, details, itinerary, other notes. I am gonna leave that still fully bundled because I don't think I'll be using that filler paper quite yet. And this is like, ooh, more than just. So these are like little cards. Those are cute, like pineapple, checklists, focus. Oh, they're like front and back. That's cute. These are just normal stickers. These are little post-it notes. That's super cute. I believe I changed my mind. I'll take this filler paper out and just add it to my other half-sheet filler paper. It's pretty thin anyway. I don't even have a half, like I don't have a skinny classic notebook, so I'm using a mini, and it looks super weird, but that's all I have. So make it work. Oh, nice. It's got packing lists by like categories on the back. We might use that actually. That's super helpful. There was another mystery box that I was planning on getting, but it sold out by the time that I got it. It had a cup in it, which I was most excited about getting. Or I think I would have picked out this bag because I really like these leaves print. I think they're called like Monstera, something like that. I don't know. But I really like this leaf print. The other one was like black and white. But this is super cute. You could use it for like a lot of stuff. Obviously, a planner, and it's sorry, I hit the camera. And its accompaniments would be one of those options. I love bags, especially that have lots of zipper compartments. Next, I'm going to open this Disney Happy Box. That's cute. We'll show them what's inside of it. So they got some discs. I don't use these discs a lot because I need that expander disc. I fill it all the way up, but these are Mickey. They're like a light gold. I don't know if there's another word for that. But I use a lot of these colors in my planner pictures. Got a little tip here. Comes with a little pen holder, so you can put this on your planner and then tuck a little pen in there. Cute. An embroidery sticker. Cute. You don't know exactly where we use it. Ooh, little notepad. That's super cute notepad. Zipper pouch. I like it. Little daisies. Some just freeform stickers. Minnie and Mickey in like floral settings. I really like those. Okay. They're just very like cute. Ooh, a bookmark. These are like super useful. And some folders, again, very useful. And this is like filler paper. Cool. I feel like I can always use more of that. Put this in a notebook. If you have seen my like planner setups, you've seen this notebook. This one's all like filler paper from different varieties. Just like to keep it organized. So I'm like putting stuff away as I pull it out of this box. Notebook. Lined layout. All dividers. Ooh, that's cute. I like it. All the paper's still the same, just different dividers. That's really cute. I'm gonna actually add this folder in here, and I might put it into my planner, but I didn't even bring my planner down here because I'm just opening all this stuff. And it's not going to fit into the filler paper notebook, so it can stay its own. And the last thing I got, which I got because I've been wanting to kind of try it, and this gave me free shipping. Not really free because I definitely paid them enough money, but I'll have to get. I use Goo Gone on these, which I left mine upstairs, so I don't have it down here. But it's super effective at getting those off. Sometimes I just like rub it repeatedly, and that works too. But I'm not gonna do that because. But oh yeah, so this is a vertical hourly layout. So I really got kind of addicted to like planning out the hourly times with the daily sheets. And then I ran out of them, and they're like never in stock anymore because they're old at this point. I think they were starting to become old when I bought them, because I bought them from Walmart, not from the Happy Planner site. But so this is a planner from July 2022, and it's got the hourly layout, so I can just write down. And I still definitely plan on using the dashboard layout because I like that layout for like looking at things at a week. But I thought I might, like, on days where I feel like very overwhelmed, just come and take this and just use like that day. And then it's like, or I don't know, we might put this date in there too and have both of them in there. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I might try and like switch it up and do some weeks this, some weeks that, but I do want to work with some of this layout and just plan out what we're doing, because sometimes I need to see like at 8 a.m. I need to be doing the dishes, and sometimes that's too overwhelming for me, and I usually it's based on how much stuff I'm going to be have to doing the next day. But even then, it's not always the case, because I don't know, I guess I just have to know myself to know, like, we can't do that today. I just need to know, like, these are the priorities of things I want to get done, and we'll do them when they come, or I need step-by-step directions because my mind is like, I don't know, it's like out there, and I just need something to like pull me back in, like what am I supposed to be doing right now? So that's why I got this, and hopefully you will see it in some spreads. We shall see. But yeah, that's all I have. If you like this unboxing, please hit the like button. I usually decorate in a dashboard layout. I might start decorating in a lined vertical layout as well. We shall see. So if you want to see those things, please comment down below which of those planners you like to see more, or both, or anything like that. Or comment what was your favorite thing that I unboxed. And I'll see you in another video. Thanks. Bye.